Hello, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. With the motto to learn and earn, let's go to the learning first before we do the analysis of tomorrow. Okay, so you can see I have marked few points on this particular chart. So this section is yesterday's trading session, and this one is for today. So for those who don't have the knowledge of trend lines, many people requesting me how to draw the trend line or how to take the trades on the breakout. So this is one small glimpse of it. You can take a look and listen carefully. So what we need to do, we need to draw a line just touching the two swings of the price, two or more swings of the price. Okay, so it can be a horizontal or at a degree of 45 from bottom to top or top to bottom. Okay, so I have marked few of the sections. So this is the trend line. So in the yesterday's session you can see bank nifty continuously uh, kept on supporting uh, or trading on this particular trend line, and it broke the one of the resistance of 35,500 and end up at the same place. Okay, so what I have done, I have just extended this trend line to the next day as well. So what we can see over here, the breakdown of the trend line. So both the trend lines, the one marked as green and the horizontal which is marked at the level of 35,500. Okay. S- uh, and I have marked few of the places to show the candlestick pattern. Again and again, I am saying go with the basics. Don't depend upon the tips, calls, and all those sorts of things. You would end up into losing money. So rather than paying those money to tips and call providers, utilize that money for trading. Even if you lose, you will not feel bad, as that money is utilized for learning. And when you do it on your own, you would learn more quickly. Okay, so and as I always say, we need to analyze uh, the market or the chart into different time frames. This is one good example. So this is my chart in 3 minutes time frame. If you convert this chart to 5 minutes time frame, you won't be able to see this particular candle. You might see different formation of the candles. So uh, from the smaller time frame, you can come to know the trend has started to change. Okay, and you can analyze from this particular channel as shown. This is the shooting star candle, which indicates a downfall of the price or a downtrend has may start. So based on this, you can take trades. So if you would have taken trade from this particular point, you might have got a good benefit, at least till 35,500. So even this point got broken, right? And we can see when this particular point was broken, uh, again you see a next pattern of candle, that is bearish engulfing, which is the second confirmation, you can say. And even if you would have entered into this particular trade after the bearish engulfing, I think, I'm sorry, I said bullish engulfing, it is a bearish engulfing, you might have got a good profit. So second candle we can see is the hammer that is forming right on the support. So you just need to understand the formation of the candles at what particular point. If you want to go on the buying side, you can see a hammer on the support or the bullish engulfing on the support. If you are going for the selling side, you can see shooting star, bearish engulfing for the selling side. So these are the few examples which I have marked. Uh, it is fine that you at the initial stage you take two to three trades, not more than three trades a day. And for learning, you should start with only one lot. And the key point is to enter a trade with a stop loss. Whether you end up with a profit or loss, you should take a sing you should not take a single trade without a stop loss. Okay, so this was regarding the learnings, let's go to the analysis part. Okay, so you can see I have marked this particular zone from 35,100 to 35,250 as a support zone. You can see the simple funda again. I say when a resistance is broken, it starts acting as a support at this particular point. And you can see, as I predicted, it would be a gap up opening based on where it closed yesterday, as the resistance was also broken. We found a gap up opening of 100 and plus point. Okay, now you can see over here, yesterday I had marked this big trend line as a green, and today I have changed its color to orange because this support is broken now. Okay, the bank nifty, which was trading or taking support of this particular green line, has been broken. So once the support is broken, it started acting as a resistance. Again it is proving again and again, the simple funda, it is proving again and again. The second thing you should take into consideration is, look at this red trend line. Again it is acting as a resistance. Bank nifty, when it opened, it did not allow to cross, or it did not cross this resistance line. This is the one point, and this is the second point, and it has closed below. So what I'm thinking, or what my analysis is, bank nifty may open gap down from this particular level to 35,250 maybe, and as we have immediate support at 35,250, it can bounce back. One more point to take into note or consideration in my analysis is, whenever I find the strong zones, I mark it with the word strong zone, strong support zone, strong resistance zone. Okay, and when I mark these zones with good support zones, they are not, we can say, they can be broken easily within 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes interval time. But when this support, when they are marked as strong, uh, they are really strong and cannot be broken with a single candle or whatever thing, or in a day at least. So this is what was regarding the analysis, and considering these two main support zones, what I'm thinking is more chances of a sideways market around this particular levels we can see. So just guys, trade accordingly, uh, and if you like my analysis, hit the like button, enter your comments into the comment section, and subscribe. Do share it with your friends so that others can get benefit of the analysis, and they can learn from whatever I share. Thank you.